All right, assembly, we are here for a 10-minute floor stretch, so let's get straight into it. So come down onto your comfortable surface or onto your mat. We're gonna go straight into those hamstrings to start. So draw the right knee in, extend the left leg out, let that knee butterfly to the side and get right on top of those sitting bones. If you're a little tighter, get your strap, get your towel ready. So we inhale to lift up, exhale, reach it forward, finding that strap across the ball of the foot if you need, or finding ankle or calf. Wherever we are, elbows out, long spine, 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Really work on your breathing with your stretching. 3rd breath. And then exhale, 3. Just release it. Point those left toes, sweep the right arm back. We're just gonna lift the hips up and back, get a nice stretch, take a breath in. And then exhale, lower it down. We're gonna shimmy the hips so we're open on the diagonal for a side stretch. Inhale, both arms lift up. Exhale, drop that left elbow down. Reach that right arm up and over, looking up towards the sky. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath, inhale. And then exhale again, take that right hand down, lift those hips up, get that stretch, and come down to sit. Let's swap it over. Left knee up and in, let it butterfly out to the side, get right on top of those sitting bones. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, reach it forward, use your strap, use your towel if you need. Long spine, shoulders down, elbows out, 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. 3rd and final breath, inhale. And then exhale, 3, we lift it up. This time left hand goes down, point those right toes. Just 1 lift up and back, stretch it out. And then as you come down to sit, come open on the diagonal so we can work through that side body. Both arms up, lift it, drop that right elbow, left arm up and over, looking up, 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Last breath, inhale. And then exhale, 3. Lift it up, left hand down, point those right toes, lift the hips, and then coming down to sit. Bring both soles of the feet together in front of you. If the hips are tight, sit up on your brick, sit up on your cushion, give those knees a nice little bounce, wiggle, lift it up. Breathe in. Exhale, forward fold, take elbows onto the knees, nice long spine, 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Last breath, inhale. Exhale, 3. Lift both arms up, breathe in, move that torso to the right. We're gonna take a twist. Right hand comes behind, left hand, right knee. Don't sit down, lift up. Twist it, 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. 3rd and final, inhale. And then exhale, 3. We control through center. Looking to the left now. Grab that left knee, right hand, twist it round, 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Last breath, inhale. And then exhale, 3. Release it through center, lift the arms up. Close the knees off, take those nice windshield wipers. So let's get that mobility, drop it to the right, and then drop it over to the left. We'll come into a seated figure 4. So glue both soles of the feet onto the mat. Start with the right leg, lift that right ankle up, place it above the left knee, flex, flex, flex. Support yourself behind, roll the shoulders open, looking up, 3 breaths. And if it feels good here, slow movements, nice and sticky. So don't go fast. For 1, 2 more breaths, inhale. Exhaling for 2. 1 more breath, inhale. And exhale, 3. Swapping it over, right foot down, left foot up. So flex through this left foot to protect that knee. Hands come behind, roll those shoulders open, lift it up. Take those little movements. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhaling for 2. Third and final, inhale. And then exhale it for 3, lowering that foot back down onto the mat. We're going to roll up to come to a kneeling position. Now, this might feel really tight on your arches, so just sitting back onto those heels, if at any point it becomes too much, just release the feet down. If the knees hurt, get a cushion underneath there. So while we're here, we're gonna also stretch out through the shoulders. So starting with the right arm, we take a tricep stretch, lift that right arm up, bending at the elbow, and then we take that right elbow with the left hand. So as much as you can, drawing that shape into center. Stay here, or if you have it, reach that left arm around, find the fingertips with each other. 3 breaths, open it up, inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhaling for 2. Third and final breath, inhale. And exhale, 3. Both arms up towards the sky. Let those shoulders reset. Let's take a reset with those feet. So just point the toes behind, gently tap them. You should feel this sensation. Tuck the toes under, second round. Sitting back down. Left arm bends this time. Draw that elbow to center. Close the ribs off. Stay here, or if you have it, reach that right arm around. Find those fingertips behind you. Or if you have your strap, you can take your strap and use that as grip to make that extra space. 3 breaths. Exhaling. 2 more breaths, inhale. Exhale, breathe into those feet. Ooh. Last one, inhale. And then exhale, release it down. Come up onto those knees, point those toes behind. Give those feet a nice little tap out. So if the knees are still feeling okay here, we're gonna sit back down into those heels, interlace the fingers behind the back, and then squeeze the chest open, take a breath in, and then we take a forward fold. So drawing chin in towards the chest as far as you can, and then lifting the hands up and over, relaxing the forehead down. 3 breaths, inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Last breath, inhale. And then exhale, 3. Nice and slowly rolling it up. Come back up onto the knees. We're gonna get into these hip flexors. So step the right foot forward, coming into your lunge. Now lift up through the front of that left hip flexor. We're going to incorporate an arm stretch while we're here. So draw that right arm across the body. Left arm draws it in, draw the shoulders down, and then sinking into that pelvis, chest and chin up. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhaling for 2. Last breath, inhale. And exhale for 3. Release it down. Come back onto the knees, step that left foot forward, and now the left arm comes across the body. Draw it in with the right. Sink it forward, shoulders down. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Make sure your fingers are energized for 2. Last breath, inhale. And then exhale for 3. Release back onto the knees, sweeping the arms up. Cross the legs, come down into a seated position. Let's give that neck a little bit of love. Ground that left hand down, right arm up. Take left ear and then draw that ear down. So it's not a movement of the shoulders, it's just the neck, a little lift of the chin, and then extend through those fingertips. 2 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more breath. Inhale. And then exhale, we swap it over. Right hand down, left hand to right ear. So reach through those right fingertips, draw it down, little lift of the chin. 2 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath, inhale. And then exhale, lift it up through center. Just give those wrists a nice shake out. Press the back of the hands together. This is a great one to do throughout the day. Take a breath in. And then breathe out, release it. We are done.